Lush green leaves rustle in the morning light. Vibrant vegetables, buzzing bees, and sunlit water pools form a living tapestry. This is permaculture in action. Imagine stepping into your own backyard and finding not just a garden, but an ecosystem full of life. Permaculture is a design system that works with nature, not against it. It turns ordinary spaces into self-sustaining food forests, inviting wildlife, harvesting water, and building healthy soil, all in harmony. Before you plant a single seed, pause and observe. Notice where sunlight falls and shadows linger. Feel the wind, track the rain, and watch which areas stay moist and which dry out. See what plants and creatures are already part of your space. Observation, simple, patient, essential, reveals nature's patterns. Only when you understand your garden's story should you begin to shape it. Next, unlock the power beneath your feet. Healthy plants need healthy soil. Start a small compost bin with kitchen scraps and garden cuttings. Add mulch, straw, leaves, or wood chips to protect the earth, feed soil organisms, and prevent bare patches. Every handful of compost and layer of mulch builds a thriving underground community where worms and microbes turn waste into rich, living soil. Now, design your garden in zones. Place your most used plants, herbs, and vegetables closest to your house for easy harvesting. Just beyond, plant fruit bushes and small trees. Further out, dedicate space for larger crops or less visited beds. Reserve a corner as your semi-wild area and let one piece remain untouched for native plants and wildlife. Zones make every action in the garden easier, more natural. Diversity builds resilience. Plant in guilds, where each species supports the others. Imagine a fruit tree surrounded by nitrogen-fixing beans, low-growing herbs, flowering plants that attract pollinators, and ground covers that keep weeds out. This is nature's teamwork in your own backyard, and it works in gardens, big or small. Water is life. Capture rain from your roof into barrels. Shape gentle swales or berms to slow water and help it sink into the soil. When you hold water on site, you reduce the need for extra watering and build a garden that thrives, even in dry spells. A healthy garden is alive with activity. Welcome birds, bees, butterflies, and worms. Plant native flowers, tuck log piles or small ponds into the corners, and every patch of green will become a sanctuary for pollinators and helpers. Biodiversity keeps your ecosystem balanced and beautiful. Ready to begin? Start by observing your garden for a week. Begin composting kitchen scraps. Add mulch anywhere the soil is bare. Plant a few easy herbs and pollinator flowers. Set up a simple rain barrel and expand one step at a time. Small actions today turn into flourishing, abundant gardens tomorrow. Step back and see what's possible. Once bare yards flourish with food, color, and life. Work with nature, build healthy soil, capture the rain, and plant diversity. Your backyard can become a thriving ecosystem, a testament to the power of growing in harmony with the world around you.